Hey, what's going on, everybody? Joe here, 690ADV, 690ADV.com. Happy Tuesday. Hopefully everybody's having a really good day today. I've got a tip for you, something that you definitely want to keep on your mind and something you should really check, not too regularly, but definitely several times a year. It's just something to get into a good habit of trying to remember. This little bitty tip that could potentially help you out somewhere down the road. It's kind of a big deal. Yeah, over here on the Honda CRF 250, one thing that's really good to check is that little guy right there. If you don't know what that is, that's your rear brake reservoir, and that goes to your master cylinder of your brake, and that's what allows that back tire to stop. And you definitely want to check your levels. It's got actual markers on it right here and up here, and you definitely don't want to be below the lower, and you don't want to be above the upper. You want to be somewhere in between the upper and lower. I'm a little low, so I'm going to need to check that and put some .3 oil in there. Not only that, up here on the front, this is your front brake, and you definitely want to look at that. It should be actually nice and clear. It shouldn't be black or very, very discolored at any given time. If it is, you want to drain that and you want to change it. So that's a good tip. Check your brake oil in your master cylinder and in your front brakes to make sure you can stop that by it. It may save you one day. This is Joe. This is your 2-minute tip. Have a great day. 690 out.